Hello everyone, welcome to Mathis Bridge. Thanks for joining with us in exploring web development. We are in process of learning HTML tags. Precisely in a previous session we have seen HTML media tags and then how we are leveraging them to add them in a web page as per the requirement. In today's session, what we are going to see, we will go through some of the examples to illustrate the concept of media tags, how we can use them in implementing web page. Let's get into topic today. We are very happy and most exciting to inform you all my happy learners and first time visitors. Our Maths Bridge knowledge corpus is get growing day by day. Please do visit us our YouTube channel Maths Bridge, www.youtube.com/mathsbridge. Sure thing is some takeaway as far as knowledge concern. Okay. Please do subscribe the channel and support us. Please drop a message. We'll get back. In this demo, we will see multimedia tags, media tags in a short note. So media tags which we use for for web development. Okay, to display media related files on web page. What tags that are available to support HTML web development. That's the context, right? What we see is that these are the for readability point of view, I made it like a simple HTML page to show you on the console. Okay, text may be little less, but if you will just pardon me, otherwise you can increase the size. Image, this basically tells me, okay, embeds the image. Audio embeds the audio content. Video means like it embedding in the video content. Source means specifies some multiple media sources. Track, add the subtitles, captions for the video. Picture, defines responsive images. Map, create an image map. This we will see like a few examples to illustrate this concept. Okay, let's go to the first part is like an audio tag. We discussed it, right? This is a syntax for that. Source is what audio controls starting of the tag and ending of the tag. We have the two tags here, and then you look at now you have to define the source. Source means like where the images, and so you have the audio file, right? So then the audio file need to be added in this here. So let me see audio file. Maybe I can use this one. All right. Okay, so you see this one dot colon something like this. This basically like a kind of in a path that I'm given here to so this particular controller will look for this file. So current directory is this, and then I have two steps back, right? So I'm going from this to back to here, and then forward to images. Within the image probably I have this file. The image is a folder within which I am having this file. That's an idea. The type of the file is like audio MPEG. Okay, let me open with like a live server. Do you see I have the control and then I have image, so I can move from here to there. Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Bridge. This is an audio clip for our demo. I hope you are able to listen when we deploy this audio page on web page, right? How it look like, and then how the bar actually moves. You can mute it, you can unmute it. Indicating okay, when it is. So this control basically give you that kind of a flexibility. Okay, let me get you back to second example. Okay, if I would actually file not found case comes, like probably this message is going to display, but currently you are able to see it, then that's why the control is actually let you actually play the audio page. Now go back to the video. it is the same thing, but now we are giving the video image here, and then let me actually first to open this, and then you can monitor it. So now instead of image, now what you see is like there is a, you know the video clip can be here. So if I have the right source, then I can play with it. So what is the tag that I am using? Here is video controls. Okay, video as a tag within which I have a controls. Width and height I'm mentioning for this image. Okay, this image is basically to display at the first place like what image and all, but the video could be something different. When you click on it, will play. I didn't actually put the right source now, so that's why I'm not actually playing it out. But otherwise, if you have the right video, then I can play with it. Let's go to the image. Since we have seen that image, I would wanted to touch upon few things on image side. So image is a tag, and then HTML image tag is used to embed the image and web page. Image tag does not have a closing tag, so you have only starting of the tag, but you don't require to mention ending of the tag. Okay, otherwise rest of things same. I think we discussed in our image the other session what about the title, width and height. Alternative message means like what. SRC means like specifies the path of the image. I think that we discussed it just now, because this is what the image means. I mean this is like a location of the image at the server side, so that web server can fetch the file and then pull it onto web page for as a placeholder. Okay, alternative, alt means like an alternative text for image. If something is not finding, then you can actually see image not found on server side, that displays. If image is there, you can when you move on the mouse to the page and image, then you can see this message over text, and this is the size of the image. Let me just show you on the console. Great. So if you can see, whenever I am actually putting a mouse here, right? So do you see now? Very good. So the minute I put this one, I got the text. Do you see the text here? Here you can see the text. Beautiful. Got it? Very nice. And then size we are already controlled with your size element. This is an element. Okay. Let's say I put like a different image name here, assuming that file not found case comes. In this, what is the message that you're going to display? Do you see image not found in server? So the message that you kept here is alternate message. You specify the alternate text for the image. So if you not found the image, what message that you would want to show it to the user. That's what this syntax means. Are you clear? Great. So I'm put it back because it's a working one. Let's move on to next example. Do you see this one now? In addition with like an image, I am also actually keeping one more tag called map tag. So this map tag is used for do you know why? This one basically like a clickable pointer is what you get it on the image. At least at this coordinates, you will see the mouse an event can be captured. So let me show you first so that you will get the idea. Right. So if I put a mouse here, what happens? You get like only the arrow, correct? But there is, if you can move here, do you see now there is a change? What change you see? Okay, this means there is an action. So it is a clickable. You can click, right? When you click it, it will actually triggers the link that you provided in the map part. So here actually I embedded www.youtube.com at Methersbridge, and then it takes me to the landing page of my YouTube channel. Got it? So the syntax that we are using like this. You can pause the video and then see the syntax and then try implement for your end. Great. So let's move on to the next one. Image favicon tag. This is one of the important one, and then in the cute one. What makes this one? You have to add this link in the header. This is in a syntax. Link rel icon, type image x icon, and then h reference is what you are giving. Right? This is again same. So because my all images I kept in image folder. That's why you are end up seeing them. Okay, now what is the change that you see? A favicon is a small image displayed next to the page title in the web browser. So I will show you that, so you can see the change. Do you see now here? Let me go back to this place. Here is the title, right? I don't have any image here, but look at here, I have an image, Maths Bridge. Do you see? So in order you to add an image to the title, the syntax that you're going to use this much. I hope you're clear. Similarly, we have the picture tag, you have a source tag, you have the track tag. Okay, picture tag. So what this actually helps you? So HTML picture element gives web developers more flexibility in specifying image sources. This element contains one or more source elements, something like this. You have this width, you have this width and all. So it depends upon the device on which that you are opening the image. So it renders to to that device. That's why you are giving that option. This way the browser can choose the image that best fit for current view or the device. Each source element has a media attribute that defines when the image is most suitable. Alright, by default, yes, this is what it is. Okay, let me show you. There is no real difference in this context, but that's what it refers. When you use this basically gives you like sort of like choose the best fit the image for that specific device. So this is an advantage of having picture. Now source tag, so it's the same thing. So let me show what is this actually displayed. Yeah, this is what the total the video that we got it.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.
Very good. Now let's look at the last one. This is basically a track tag. Like I said, right, if you have a subtitles, then how do you actually display them? So you have to have, this is a syntax, using like a track is a tag with titles embedding in it. So if the both together club them, then you could see like in video as well as the titles on the page. I think I have not added anything at this minute, but if you can still experiment it. Okay, all right. So in a nutshell, we have looked at like overall media tags, and then precisely example illustrate like how audio tag can be implemented, how video tag can be implemented, image tag can be implemented, various cases in the image, and then image favicon, a small tag which embedding along with like a title of the web page is what you can also implement it, and looked at actually picture tag, source tag and track tag. Okay, all right. So good luck guys, and then try explore more, and then and implement and test your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.